So it's recording. We're going to go to the game. We're going to click Start. We're going to click Resume Save. We're going to go to this one, for example. We're going to load. It's loading.
It's loading.
Yeah.
I know.
See on the bottom right, you see loading? Okay, we can close
Yeah.
this. Okay,
Yay,
okay.
we're here.
And we're going
It's
to go
nighttime,
here. We're going
It's
to
nighttime.
we're going to practice a quick launch.
Okay.
Lunar lander, no. So Saturn 5, 16.
Yay, Saturn 5. I like that rocket.
Yeah. Let's see, Saturn 5 Slim. Let's do Saturn 5, 16. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
And let's go to Launchpad.
Yay, Launchpad. Let's launch it.
Yeah, we're going to try that right now.
Okay.
Remember that we're just testing the sound. We're not actually doing anything yet.
Okay. That's fine.
See, it's loading on the bottom right. There we go. There's a Saturn 5 rocket. It's a replica.
I see it.
Okay,
Yay.
let's make it daytime. So we should have an option.
I like daytime better than nighttime because I can't see anything very good.
Yeah, we're gonna make it daytime.
Okay. Oh, that's a wrap. My
Warp.
has it. My
Warp speed.
has it. Oh, now it's morning.
Yeah. Okay. So now it's morning, and we are going to do a countdown, and we're gonna do settings. We're gonna pick
10 seconds.
You'll see.
Okay.
The Apollo missions.
I don't mind.
Back.
Is it raining out there? Is it? Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Whee! Yeah. I don't know. This is very fast.
They're not fast in the beginning. In the beginning, they're usually not fast.
I know how it goes. It begins slowly and then it goes faster and faster. Because it's escaping Earth's gravity.
That's right.
Oh. Going to the moon or... I know how this thing goes.
Emergency escape.
Yay, launch escape. Now you have to... Yeah, that's just a practice thing. Yay, that thing must fall off. That thing's gonna go down in a few seconds. See that? What? Oh, that's pretty funny. It is making some. Whoa, that's cool. You can land it. Oh no! Ah! We're gonna crash. Oh yay! Oh no, we now put the parachute. Yay! There's 2 parachutes. One. Ball! Explode! Please don't explode! Don't explode! Yes, we're going to explode. Now this thing's gonna explode.
Yeah, we're trying to slow it down, but we can't.
Make it the engine. The engine. You must make it the engine fast.
It's at maximum already.
Oh, okay. Then it's gonna crash. Oh, we're gonna loosen it. So it. Oh no. Ah, crash. Crash. You got burned. Everybody's burned. Well, except that part. It's not burned that part. go. You can do it. Let's do it. Don't. Please. Yay. Huh? Yay, he's hang gliding down.
Parachute.
Yeah, parachute.
We're having him jump out.
Oh, what happened?
Uh-oh.
Ah! Oh, phew. That's good. Good thing he didn't explode, the guy. Don't let him fall in the water. That would be bad. He's doing it. I just like to watch.
There's one more.
One more? Oh no, you have to make him jump off first. Or else he's gonna land. Like that. Go. Yay. Can we make it parachute? Yay, we're gonna float down. And then what's gonna happen to the commander module then?
It's just gonna land. It's just gonna land on the ground.
Okay.
We're gonna see if we can land on top of the building here.
Yay, funny. So you're gonna land on top of the building. Or what else he's gonna do? Yay, she didn't go on top of the building. He's going down. She's gonna land on the building. Yay! Funny. Yay! He survived. Well, that thing didn't.
That landed.
Yay! Yay! The rover. What a rover.
Oh, she's trying to land.
Oh, yeah. She's going up. She cannot switch the vessels. I know. She's trying to land. Land. Don't fall. Ah, going so fast. We're going to crash into that. Oh, whatever that thing is. That crashed.
Woo!
Ah. She's dizzy. But good thing she's fine.
There we go. They all made it.
They all made it.
Woohoo! Whoa! Did a front flip. That's cool.
Yeah. You're so funny. Wee.
Woohoo!
Now that's a little funny.
All right. So we're gonna exit and we will. But we gotta check.
Okay.
I gotta check the sound now, and the recording.
Oh, okay.